All right, so the instructions I got was when my pasta is done, take it out about a minute early. So instead of doing 10 minutes, do 9 minutes, and then let it sit in the sauce for about a minute while it's still hot with a cup of water, because the water has a lot of starch in it, and then that way it finishes out the last minute nicely. And then the lobster, I'm just taking that out directly and putting it on a plate to the side. Now I take the lobster meat and I put the lobster meat inside of it once I get the lobster meat out. So I may have to let it cool a little bit, or hopefully maybe it'll come out nice with the fork. We'll see. So we got about 46 seconds. I already got the sauce heating up just a little bit, so the sauce isn't cold when I mix it together. So my plan is I don't have a big enough second pot or saucepan to put the pasta in. So I'm actually just gonna use the same pot. I'm just gonna take a cup out, put it to the side, drain that water, put that sauce in there, and then put the water in with the sauce. That's the game plan. So we'll see. We'll see how this goes. Bear with me. But that's what I'm gonna be doing. So let's make this happen. Maybe I should put on these just in case I decide to burn my hands. It sounds like something I would do with a klutz. Alright. Well, that's about a cup of water there we're gonna use. Timer off. Okay, that's off. This would be a good time too to have a strainer. Up first real quick. Probably just take out the stove top altogether. So I'm not getting any heat transferring. The stove top is still being hot. And then the lobster, we can go and grab these bad boys out of that hot water. Put these on the plate. Taste it for 1 second. I'm gonna get rid of this hot dog. One thing I believe in, I don't like things being unnecessarily hot for too long. So anyways, with that being said, don't think it's actually clean. Don't need this. I'm really not sure how easily this lobster meat's gonna come out, so we're gonna find out together. Let me grab another tongue. Do I have a little small set of tongues? I don't. I don't have any tongues. They're in the washer. Okay, that's fine. Well, let's see how easily this comes out if I use a fork. Let's see. More than one way to skin a cat. Got no idea. Just crack these bad boys. Add this to the list of things I'm gonna get better at. Getting my meat out of lobster claws. All sorts of things in the world to get better at. This is one of them. All right. Okay, not so bad. All right, that's one lobster claw down. I'm gonna do the rest of these. I'm gonna plate it, and then that'll be my goal. All right, so I'm not gonna make you sit here and be bored watching me do this for the next 5 minutes or so, but that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. All right, next video.